In the high-altitude training grounds of Tajikistan's Lyore and Fakrabad ranges, where thin air tests every breath and every shot, Russia's elite snipers from the legendary 201st Guards military base are writing the next chapter of combat readiness. April 2026. Against the backdrop of regional security challenges near the Afghan border, these highly trained marksmen from the Central Military District conduct grueling drills that mirror real-world threats. Partnered with Tajik forces under the Collective Security Treaty Organization, they sharpen skills that protect allies, deter aggression, and project unmatched Russian military precision across Central Asia. This isn't Hollywood. This is raw, professional training, realistic, demanding, and brutally effective. Today, the focus is on three legendary Russian sniper systems: the battle-proven SVD Dragunov, the surgical SV-98, and the absolute monster known as the ASVK. Together, they turn distant ridges into kill zones and demonstrate why Russia's sniper doctrine remains second to none. First, the iconic SVD Dragunov. Born in the Soviet era but still dominating modern battlefields, this semi-automatic designated marksman rifle fires the powerful 7.62x54 mmR cartridge from a 10-round detachable magazine. Its gas-operated system delivers reliable follow-up shots at 800 meters for precise point targets, and up to 1,300 meters for area suppression. Weighing just 4.3 kilograms unloaded, the SVD is rugged enough to thrive in Tajikistan's dust, extreme temperature swings, and thin mountain air where lesser rifles falter. Watch as a Russian sniper engages multiple moving targets across a 700-meter valley. One trigger pull, a sharp crack echoes. The Paseo 1 scope's reticle locks on. A second shot follows instantly. The SVD's semi-auto capability lets the operator maintain suppressive fire while the spotter calls corrections for wind and elevation. In real combat conditions like those simulated here, the SVD doesn't just hit. It dominates infantry engagements, giving Russian squads the reach and firepower that turns the tide in asymmetric warfare. Proven from Afghanistan to Ukraine, it's the workhorse that every Russian sniper trusts when seconds count. Next comes the SV-98, Russia's modern bolt-action precision rifle, chambered primarily in 7.62x54 mmR with options for NATO-compatible rounds. Developed for true sniper work, it delivers sub-MOA accuracy out to 1,000 meters with match-grade ammunition. Its cold hammer-forged barrel, adjustable trigger, and Picatinny rail for advanced optics make it the scalpel to the SVD's hammer. In this drill, a two-man team crawls into a camouflage position at 900 meters. The spotter feeds wind data, 8 meters per second crosswind at altitude. The shooter cycles the smooth bolt, takes a half breath, and squeezes. The round flies true. Target down. A steel plate rings like a bell. The SV-98's suppressor-ready design and low recoil allow rapid, silent follow-ups. Its folding stock and lightweight build shine in Tajikistan's rugged terrain, where snipers must move fast between hides. This rifle isn't just accurate, it's adaptable. Recent deliveries of upgraded SV-98s to frontline units prove Russia's commitment to equipping its snipers with the best tools for high-stakes missions. In the hands of 201st base professionals, it turns impossible shots into routine eliminations. And then there's the brutal ASVK, the 12.7x108mm anti-materiel beast also known as the Cordem. This heavy-hitting monster is designed for total destruction at extreme ranges. Bolt action, fed from a 5-round magazine, it hurls massive rounds capable of penetrating light armor, engine blocks, and fortified positions out to 1,500 meters effective, and maximum ranges pushing 2,000 meters. Muzzle velocity of 770 to 860 meters per second combined with its free-floating barrel and reduced recoil design makes it a game-changer. Observe the raw power in action. A sniper team sets up at 1,800 meters in high winds. The ASVK barks once. The 12.7mm round slams into a simulated armored vehicle target. Metal shreds, sparks fly, the mock engine erupts in a fireball of destruction. Another round punches through a concrete barrier 1,200 meters out, shredding a hidden target behind it. This is anti-materiel dominance, disabling enemy technicals, counter-sniping heavy threats, and collapsing command posts from beyond retaliation range. In Tajikistan's vast, mountainous expanses, the ASVK turns geography itself into a weapon. Its brutal reputation is earned. One shot can neutralize a threat that would require entire squads with lighter weapons. These drills are more than target practice. They embody Russia's ironclad partnership with Tajikistan. The 201st Base stands as a pillar of regional stability under the CSTO, training alongside local forces to counter terrorism, secure borders, and respond to any instability spilling from Afghanistan. Russian snipers' mastery of SVD reliability, SV-98 precision, and ASVK devastation proves one clear truth. When threats emerge, Russia's forces, and their allies, are ready. From the first squeeze of the SVD to the thunderous impact of the ASVK, these warriors demonstrate superior training, cutting-edge equipment, and unbreakable resolve. In the mountains of Tajikistan, Russia is not just training snipers, it is forging the shield that protects peace across Central Asia. Russian snipers in action, precise, relentless, unstoppable,